Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to power on or turn on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch, either the Series 8, Series 9 or Series 10 or Apple Watch Ultra, and I want to turn on your Apple Watch, then there's a video for you. So if at the end of this you find this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn on your Apple Watch, locate the control button, which is the button beneath the digital crown, then just press and hold it a couple of seconds. Once you press and hold it a couple of seconds and you see the app logo comes up, then hang on. You want to hang on for your Apple Watch to boot to the login screen, where you'll be prompted to type in your Apple Watch passcode to unlock the Apple Watch. So this might take a couple of seconds because in most cases it takes about 20 to 25 seconds for your Apple Watch to truly turn on once you press the control center button. Then the next thing you just need to do is go ahead, type in your passcode, and then you are welcome. So that's exactly how to turn on Apple Watch. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.